Al-Jama.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Al-Jama moves without notice that the House notes that the violent and unlawful arrest of 5 peaceful pro-Palestinian demonstrators at the Loftus Versfeld on 11th May 2025 further notes that a minor was among the 5 arrested, recognizes the excessive force that was used by members of the SAPS when arresting them, further recognizes that the arrest and detention of the Loftus Fives violated their constitutional rights to freedom of expression and protection from being manhandled and ill-treated whilst in detention. Notes that the violent arrest of the peaceful demonstrators caused physical harm to other soccer fans, including several children and older person. Further notes that their red card Israel t-shirts were confiscated by members of SAPS. Calls on the House to condemn such gross violations of the rights of peaceful demonstrators. I so move. Thank you.
If there are no objections, I put the motion.
ACDP objects. Thank you.
With the objection of the ACDP, the motion will then be converted to a notice of motion.